Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to set the clock in your Honda Odyssey. It's a straightforward process that takes just a moment. First, locate the clock button, usually found near your audio system controls. Once you've found it, press and hold this button for about 2 to 3 seconds until the time display begins to flash. This flashing indicates that your Odyssey is now ready for you to adjust the time. Now that the clock display is flashing, it's time to adjust the hours. Look for the button labeled H or hour near the clock display. Each press of this button will advance the hour by 1. Continue pressing until you reach the correct hour, making sure to cycle past 12 o'clock to switch between AM and PM as necessary. Take your time to get it just right. With the hour set, let's move on to the minutes. You'll find a button labeled M or minute right next to the hour button. Similar to the hour adjustment, each press of this button will advance the minute by 1. Press it repeatedly until you reach the precise minute for the current time. This step allows you to fine-tune your clock for accuracy. Once both the hour and minute are correctly set, the final step is to save your changes. Simply press the clock button one more time. The time display will stop flashing, indicating that your new time has been successfully saved. Your Honda Odyssey's clock is now accurately set and ready to go. Enjoy your perfectly timed drives.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.